Hey, what's up guys? Tom from Positive Lead Diagnostics. Still working on this '08 Beetle. This will be a part 2 of just doing the repair. So if you haven't seen part 1, go back, check that out. For those of you who've already seen part 1, you already know what's wrong with the car. So what we're going to do is just repair these 2 wires. So I have the door harness exposed right now. And we're not going to do a whole door harness. It's just 2 wires that are broken here. And what I want to do is just cut a section out, put a butt connector in on each side, and fish it back through. So I already have the harness out, and let you guys get a look at that right now. Just these 2 wires. All the other wires look okay. And we will just cut these wires down here and on this side and put a long loop in there. That way there's no connection in between the door harness. It's going to be a solid wire all the way through, and it should last a little bit. This white wire right here, this is our network wire, the one that was giving us all that trouble. And then there's another wire in here. It's a black with blue. I don't even know what it is, but we'll fix it anyways. So I'll just cut this back. These coal strippers. And these cool heat shrink butt connectors. And when you heat them, there's like some sealant that comes out and seals it so no moisture gets in there. So there's one. See if I can zoom you guys in a little bit closer. So cut this other side back. Another butt connector. Get a stretch of wire. So I want to try to keep this length of wire like perfectly with this loop. That looks about good right there. Side. And we want it to be in this loop right here. So try to keep the length of wire pretty good. Twist that up a little bit. Looks pretty good. Sweet. in there. Snip it back here. Strip that wire back. Butt connector. Get our piece of wire. Strip that back. Feed it back here. Now, adjust our length. Probably about right there. Strip that piece. And crimp her down. Now we'll just heat these up. If you look real close, you can see that sealant coming out of each end. So these butt connectors are pretty decent. Should keep any moisture out. Just gotta fish this harness back through. Trying to fish this harness back through. It's probably gonna be the hardest part. Alright guys, harness is back in. Connectors are all plugged in. Time to check our window. Keys on. Nice. Window works. And the driver's side works. So, nice, easy part 2 of the repair. So we had a section of wire in the door jamb that was broken. So where the door would hinge at, we have a butt connector here, and nice section of wire, new wire. So both windows work, and didn't have to put in a whole new door harness. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching.